how are you doing, traders? I believe you are all good and you are all doing wonderful. And I guess the trading, how do you call it, setups and everything is going on well. Yeah, this is only Forex. And this and how do you call it? I decided to put aside a video I did and then start it again because I made some mistakes. Okay, I made some mistakes because yesterday I did a video, but I was very tired. Okay, I was very tired. I was very exhausted, and then my attention was really on my trade because I'd taken some big loss size, and I wanted to hit some amount. So my mind, my concentration was on that. So that is why I could not really focus on the video, and I was tired. And one thing I did was that I wanted to pause the video and then get some snack and all this, but I think the button did not react. So when I went, I was eating and also no, it was still recording. So I decided to delete the video. So I'm very sorry for all those who have gone there and those who have clicked the link and then they could not have access to the video. I'm very sorry, okay? But I'm going to start the same thing again on FX Blue, okay? I said it yesterday in a video that FX Blue is a site, okay, that can help you, okay, have an idea and a broad understanding about concerning the market and how to select your pairs. The reason why I said you can make up to $1,000 with FX Blue is because when FX Blue confirm your pairs and you are able to activate FX Blue in the right direction and the right cost, I am telling you that you are going to hit your take profit. It is very accurate and it's very good. The only problem with FX Blue is that at times people send me messages telling me that you know what, FS Blue keep changing and is not respecting our policies and is not respecting our setups. So I'm confused about FS Blue and I do not know what to do with FS Blue. But in this video, I'm going to teach you how you can customize your FS Blue and get your accurate pairs. Okay, so the purpose of this video is to help you, okay, use FS Blue in the right manner, okay? And if you're a trader watching me, I want you to take your time, just relax. Just relax, say to yourself, I want to 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 relax. Do you know why? Because you see, the house you're going to build it, your bank account is going to hit the highest level. That car, you're going to buy it. You're going to help your family. If only you want to show commitment to the markets. If only you want to be the market friend. Don't exploit the markets. And I've been saying it and I've been saying it and I keep on saying it. Don't go into the market with the mindset of gambling. Yeah. No trader was able to make it within a day. Yeah. At times you see traders, you make money, okay, you make some money, and they, oh, guys, I was able to get $100, $500, $1,000, $2,000, $5,000, and I want to be like him. Do you know what he went through? Do you know the process? It is very important. Anyway, I want to say hi to all my students, Early Forex Academy students. I want to say big hi to you. And then I really appreciate your effort and your encouragement and all this sense of my videos. And all those who have subscribed to my channel, I really appreciate it. And I am telling you that please stay focused and keep on liking and sharing my videos. And I've given myself a period of 1 year, no, 6 months. By the end of this year, I'm going to do full setup around 5 a.m. live. All those who are connected, I'm going to show you entries, good entries, and you hit it. I am telling you, because you know what you are looking for and you know what you are doing. You know the secret of trading. And I know that as you are working together, you go to that dimension for sure. Okay. So without wasting time, because I know that at least Charlie, right now, man will get time and things are really pressing up and also. So I wouldn't like to waste your time. I'm taking straight to the FX Blue and then we'll see what is happening there. Is that okay? So stay connected and let's move on quickly. I'm sharing my screen. Okay. And then Buff, we are there, 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 we are there. FX blue. All right, FX blue, here we come. FX blue, here we come. So when you open the FX blue site, you go to relative currency strength, okay? Relative currency strength. We are going to relative currency strength. You're going to see what is there. And we are there. That is my friend. This one helped me know what is happening on the market. And it doesn't lie to me. Yeah, it's not a betrayal. It does not lie to me. So that one I can assure you that FS Blue is going to really help us today. All those who watch the video today, you have an understanding. I believe that you're going to end your week well. If only there's no news, and if you are getting the information on the pairs that you would like to trade. Is that okay? So it is loading. Let's be patient. Let's be patient. Let's be patient. Let's be patient. So you have home, you have FS Blue, you have apps, you have trader, trade mirror, you have market data, you have competition, and you have so on and so on. But what we are going to do is that I'm going to start with the short term, okay? I'm going to start with the short term. So we are going to start with the short term. All right, the short term, you can see all the pairs are here. Gold, Australian dollar, Canadian dollar, and so on and so on and so on. And when we check the short time frame, you can see that the British pound is very weak, is the weakest, negative 9.4. And the gold is at plus 7.8. Okay. All right. So when you check the time frame between 5 minutes and then 1 hour, so you can see that gold is leading. So the market is buying right now within the short time frame. And British pound is falling, is falling, is falling, is falling like, I don't know. It's really, really falling. So when you check the Australian dollar and the gold are really, really, really showing booming up in the market. And you can see Australian dollar, gold, and how do you call it? Australian dollar, gold, Canadian dollar, and then CHF. They are all doing well. They are all doing well in the short time frame. So you can see this is good for the scalpers, okay? It's good for the scalpers. And also, I would like to remind you that my masterclass is ongoing. If you want to be trained by Only Forex, please let me know. I will send you my WhatsApp line, and then you can see it even on the screen. Get in touch with me and let me take you through a very tough one-month training. And I believe that you are going to really make it big time in the Forex industry. All right, so we are done with the short term. Let's go to the medium term and then see what is happening there. So when you go the almighty card, sorry, it has changed. Okay. So when you go there, you can see that gold is still manifesting, the New Zealand, the Australian dollar, the Canadian dollar, and so on, the British pound, and all these things are pushing, they are booming, and they are moving on. But let's look at the British pound. British pound is still suffering, struggling here. All right, let's go to the euro 2, and the Bitcoin. All right, they are all struggling here. All right, but that is not what I want to teach you. I'm still moving on. I'm just explaining to you the 30 minutes, 4 hours, and then daily, what they do. So I'm going to teach you in a way that you'll be able to leave your graphic like that without even changing it because you customize it today. Is that okay? You customize it and it will not lie to you, okay? FS Blue is one of the best. One of the best. I'll be saying it and I keep on saying it. FS Blue is one of the best. Dare me if you want. And I'll prove to you that I can make close to about $1,000 using only FS Blue and my charts. And you understand what I mean? Let's go to the long term. The long term is made up of 4 hours daily and weekly. All right, the long term, you can see the Canadian dollar. Gold is also gold. What's happening to gold? Okay, how do you call it? The USD. Okay, USD is also suffering. But look at the British pound. Let's look at the euro. Oh my God, these people are really, 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 really suffering. Oh God, they need help. All right. Now, let's get to the part that I really want you to know. I don't want to waste time, so let's move on quickly to custom. So you go to custom, go to history bar, put it on 50, and then the time frame, put it start from 1 hour, move to 4 hours, and then move to daily, okay, is okay. Then you come to your charts. When you come to the chart, look at it. Look at what is happening here. This is what is happening to the market right now. This is what is happening to the market right now. You can see that the NZD, AUD, CAD, they are doing well. USD is really, really not doing well. JPY, Japanese yen, and then GBP, oh my God, they are really, really, really struggling here. They are suffering here. But please and please, please and please, if you want to please and please, if you really want to this and how do you call it, do well there, if you really want to choose your pairs the right way, please before you come here, check your do your fundamental analysis, before you get here, because it can go against you if you don't really use your fundamental analysis. This one can change. There is one time you see some shift and all this is because of the fundamental analysis. So please, if you don't know how to do it, please get in touch with me. I'll teach you that. Okay. All right. Now, when I want to choose or I want to use the FS Blue, what I do is that I look at the first two, H1 and H4. I wait for their confirmation. It is very sweet and very good when you get the two H1 and H4 pairing. Okay, don't bother about the daily. When you get, look for instance here, the CHF, you can see here, CHF, H1, H4, very good. So when I get it like this, I take my CHF as the weakest pair. I take it as the weakest pair. Look at the gold. You see the H1, H4, they are very good. So I can pick these two as my strongest pair. But right now, I don't trade gold with CHF. I don't know what even exists because that's not my business. Let's look for NZD, CHF. You see here, I believe that these two, I can go to my chart and target these two and I'll hit it hard. Look, for instance, here, USD, US dollar, look at it, Japanese yen. It's even dropped. Japanese yen is at negative 4.7. So I can look at the Japanese yen versus the NZD, NZD JPY. I can hit it and I pick these two, H1, H4, which is the GBP, NZD. I can hit it hard and so on and so on. So when you come to the customize, you can really, really, really pick your pairs the right way. Is that okay? I don't know whether you understand me. Right now here, so when you come here, do not bother about the daily, okay? Just look for the confirmation with the H1 and H4. Right now, look at the euro. Euro here is not really, really friendly because euro and H4 are not in line. No, I'm not going to do that because you can play with your account. You don't even know whether this and how do you call it, H1 can be bearish. You don't know. So if you want to trade the euro, wait for the H4 to also be what? Be bullish as the H1, then you can trade it. But until then, leave euro out. Euro hasn't really confirmed. Leave it out. If you want to trade and then a short distance, you want to hit positive trade, leave euro out. The British pound right here is very weak. All right, so the NZD is very weak. Bitcoin is weak. This and how do you call it? CHF is weak. So NZD, AUD, they are good to trade. So what happened that way? You go to your chart and you can look at them eyeball to eyeball and look for some good entry and hit the market. I am telling you that 100 to 100 pips, you're going to make it. You are going to make it easily. 100, you see that it's changing, but that's not what it does not affect you. That is how it is to take the assured part of FX Blue. This is how you should go about it. Please, guys, I would like to get the feedback from you. I would like to know how you're doing, and I would like to know how you are coping with the listen. How do you call it? The chat. So please send me a WhatsApp message, email me, or something like that. I would like to know how things are going. And please take your time. Don't rush and don't be frustrated. Trading is like that. We all went through that same procedure and through that same system. We cried before, we went through things, but let me tell you, the money you are losing today, you are really going to get it. The money you are losing today, you are going to get it again. Is that okay? The money you are losing today, you are going to get it again. So please and please don't be hard on yourself. You are very smart. I believe in you. I know you are going to make it. Don't be hard on yourself. Don't be hard on yourself, okay? Don't be hard on yourself. Just give yourself to it. Life gives itself back to those who give themselves to it. Whatever you give yourself to, pay you back. Destiny reward, life reward, whatever you are going to, whatever you are doing, when you give yourself to it, it pays you back. And that's what a lot of traders don't want to understand. They want to just hit it now and that's all. Please, if that is it, then go to the super bet and go and bet something, then get something. But if you want trading as a profession, if you want to be an expert in trading, if you want to know the market and you want the market to know you and the market to understand you and for the market to take you as a friend, then please and please and please and please and please be ready to pay the price. So as you can see, I believe you understand. So if I want to trade right now, I'm going to pick out the CHF as my weakest pair. I'm going to take the NZD as my strongest pair or AUD as my pair and get to the market and look for good entry. And then hit it up. In my next video, I'll teach you how to trade with the time frames and odds. And please subscribe. Subscribe is very important. Subscribe and subscribe and subscribe. It is very, very important, guys. It's very important because if you subscribe, you'll be able to get a benefit from all my videos and you'll be able to get the right opportunities. But if you don't, then I'm afraid, yes, I'm afraid because you lose a lot of things. You lose a lot of things. You miss it. So please and please and please grab the opportunity today and let me that it up. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to share, okay? I love you all and I believe that you all meet one day or somewhere or whatever in our private jet and all these things, and then you enjoy life. Thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you and see you in the next video. Bye.